Okay, so I know this is a pretty big change up from what I normally do, but it's something that I've been pretty excited about, and something I really wanted to share with you guys. And so yeah, so I program a good amount for school and everything, and I'm still studying to be a computer computer science engineer. I think that's what it's called. Computer science. I'm just computer science major. I'll just go with that. Um, but anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna show like pretty much go over this app and like how different like things about it. But don't worry, this is not a like coding review. I am not like a coding guru or something. I am just a student, learning stuff, doing stuff, practicing, all that kind of good stuff. And I also was able to work with one of my friends and get some help, some greatly appreciated help from a friend. And that's like all this art you're seeing, all this the app logo right here, the background right here. This is all done by a really good friend of mine named Jamie, and so I will of course have her link to her pages and stuff like that in the comment section, of course. And then on top of that, I'll go over like the art and stuff like that. And then not only that too, but like just how excited I am to like finally have this app like really put together, so that way it looks like a super real app. And then of course, with the help from Jamie, I was able to get this all look so much more like real and presentable, because this is a APK, so it's running on an Android phone as if it was an app that you downloaded from the Google Play Store. But so yeah, so right off the bat, I'll just kind of get into it. After all that, so yeah, right here you can see like the whole the logo and the app icon, Staku base. So pretty much, basically, what it boils down to, it's a messaging style app. But it's all like just giant chat rooms, but it's all based on location. So whenever you start the app up, it just checks real quick to see where you're at, and if you're close to a chat room and stuff like that. But pretty much, once you got your user stuff here, of course I scrubbed it, so this is all gonna have garbage information, garbage stuff, just to make a quick little video about it, because like I said, I was just pretty excited to share it with you all. So you log in with your Google stuff like that. It does use Google credentials and everything. Um, so here we go. So you could see right off here that there's like the different chat rooms and stuff, and I'm trying not to click on anything because it'll open it. But for example, like maybe one of the chat rooms, like the first one right here, maybe that's like uh, closer to where you work or something, and then the second one's closer to your house or something. And then I set them like one set to like 5 miles, and one set to like 20 mile radius from every like pinned area that I put, and then of course like a global chat, then that's everywhere. Anyone and anyone and everywhere could like chat on here, so it's just a huge, yelling of everybody going off and whatever, and just me just testing stuff and checking the server, because all this is actually from a server. It's one of the Google ones or whatever. Um, so there's that. And so like for example, like if you're trying to go to another chat room but you're not near it, you can't open it, of course. And so I got this little pop-up down here, and so right here is this one that is closer to where I am at. And then so basically, the idea is like if you go to like a convention or something, and there's like a pin or there's like a chat room in that area where the convention is at, um, then you could talk with like other people. And then the other thing I didn't add, I haven't finished yet, but in this corner right here, I was gonna make like a little, a little sliding kind of drawer, a little thing that pops down, and it just shows you like who's in the chat, and then you could click on the people, and then it would take you to their profile, so you could have like just one-on-one conversation type things. And I'll show the profile right now in a minute. But yeah, so this all talks to a server, and you can just see my really dumb generic messaging thing just to check how stuff works and make sure stuff works, and all that good stuff. And then oh yeah, right here you can click on this little banner, and this will pull up like your name or your nickname. Um, yeah, so you could like change it and stuff like that. That was kind of ugly. And then this will be your nickname in the chat and everything. So like this is what like the other people or your friends would like see, and it's always accessible right there from that. Um, and then right here in the corner we can click on like your profile, and this is where a little bit more of Jamie's amazing art comes in, and all that good stuff. So let me just show like a few more buttons and stuff. So right here, when we click on this icon, this opens up the camera, and you can see that it's still me, even though this is a completely different video than what stuff normally is. But yeah, you could take a picture, and it opens up your camera and everything, then puts it on there, and then you could open up the camera roll, and you could change your profile picture, and you can click on the little pencil right there, and you can put your bio or like a little write-up thing about you. There we go, and you can see that it saves that on there. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough time, and I'm still working like when I have extra time to add this stuff to like the server, so that this way it'll save your profile on the server. And it was like the next step that I was trying to get done. Unfortunately, like all the pictures, these are hard coded in. These are not being pulled from a server, so this is kind of me cheating in a way, just to get the overall look down. But what I really wanted was like the tiger right here to be like your what's it called, your profile picture, but like your default profile picture, just to go with like the overall theming and stuff like that. And so going into a little bit more about like the art and stuff, again, I guess. Yeah, so all this art, like the tiger print background, the right here, the logo itself, I was able to get it all done with my friend Jamie, and she did an absolutely like amazing good job. I know sometimes it can be hard to explain your ideas or your concepts. There was even a minute where I had to like draw a rough sketch, I think on Microsoft Paint, and then like just give her a few different images of stuff and be like, okay, like something like this mixed with that, with an idea of this or something like that. But I absolutely am so happy and so like glad how like everything came out, because like this tiger, this tiger is so absolutely adorable, and it is just far exceeded my expectations of what I explained to her what I wanted it to look like. Pretty much I just really wanted just a very simple, very cutesy, a very like easily lovable, easily recognizable little tiger, and like this thing came out just so cute and adorable. I absolutely love it. This one of her original characters, I believe, the little cat right here, cat girl right here. Sorry if I'm messing it up, Jamie. But yeah, so that one I just grabbed it as just an extra one, just for demoing, just so that you can see that you can change your profile picture right here, or whatever. That's just for demoing purposes, and then of course the actual like logo itself, the Stoku based logo, for what I picked for the name of the whole overall app and everything. And then let me back out a little bit. Okay. Okay, so right here. So then, like, yeah, you could see like the whole like tiger print running through the background. So she did that as well, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Like that glossy velvetyness of like the hues in the background, like how there's kind of like a waviness to it. I absolutely love that about it. It just looks so like, just looks like so velvety smooth and just so nice. And then I love the tiger stripes, and like I don't think originally I wanted or I never specified what color I wanted this to be, like in between the tiger stripes. But Um, I really like the contrast. Like I am colorblind, but like oh man, this contrast like really like pops to me, and it really stands out, and it just gives it such a cool vibe overall to me, and I absolutely love that. And of course, I do love how the app logo turned out. I just think it looks absolutely amazing. Um, exactly like how I imagined it, like in my mind to look, and I absolutely love that. And so, quickly going over, so I added like this little like about section. Like apps have that where like it's a little about, like a little blurb section with like small credits and stuff like that. So you could pretty much see exactly what I'm saying. Like it just has a little spot right here for the overall idea of what this is, and all that good stuff. Like I said, huge thanks and a huge uh, you know like oh man, I'm just amazed how everything turned out. Because if I didn't have such great art by Jamie, it would just mostly be bland, like simple colors or like gradients, simple gradients. It wouldn't be full on art because this is absolutely art. Um, besides just a logo, like it's something that I thought of, and then she did the art on it. We fixed a little bit here and there, and then just to get it to look right, or to get it to look what I imagined it being. So that far exceeded my expectations. And she does like commissions and stuff too, of course. And like if it's something that you might need, or like if you like some of the characters and stuff like that, absolutely amazing to work with her, and to get that help from her to get this art, because like I said, it'd be a very simple, very bare bones look, but I really like how overall it looks, and it just really pops and stands out. All these splashes of color and like the overall feel and tone of the app, I just think, oh, to me it just looks amazing. And of course, like I said, I did the programming for this. I got a server set up. I have the Google thing set up to let Google users, use the app and everything to log in and all that kind of good stuff. And then it just checks your location, but that's just on your like phone, on your device, just to make sure that you're within a chat room and everything. I did all of that, and then the overall like placement of like where do I put like the buttons, or where do I put the different things that you see like moving stuff around. But of course, it's just like elevated to like 1,000 because the art just looks so freaking amazing. Um, but that's pretty much it for show and tell of my app that I made. Like I said, I'm not some tech guru, or I still have a normal job. I work a normal job full time, and I go to school full time. So whenever I had extra time to work on my app, because like I just had so much fun programming it, designing it, overall look and feel, like where do I put this, where do I put that, should I put the logo here, should I not, like I just love, I'm a perfectionist, I'm talking like I'm a perfectionist at times, and so moving stuff around, tweaking stuff around, man, I just love that so much. And then of course, like I said, the art just boosts it so much further than just a boring, all black screen or all white screen with very simple buttons. Looks amazing. And of course, art by Jamie, absolutely amazing. Really appreciate all of the work that she did and she put into it, uh, and everything. And yeah, so I know it's different, but thanks for watching, you guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, that's pretty much an app that I made, and that's all I got for this one. So thanks for watching.